At the end of today's video, we will share with you January's 2021 gambling totals. We will also share with you the last of 3 hand pays completed in about 3 hours at Pachanga. So let's get started. This hand pay is on the slot machine Twin Win. Many of you are already familiar with this machine. Let's begin. How you doing?
We're doing. 3, 4, 5, 6.
$125. Low. Girls.
Yeah, scatter win.
We love those scatter pays.
Well, she's sure coming up a lot right now.
Yep.
But
Yeah, the girls keep coming up, but it gets better. Moments later, another winning jackpot. Let's take a look. Not too bad, huh? Really cool. As you can see, we changed up the bet a little bit. We increased it to $3 a line, 15 lines, $45 a pull. This gave us a hand pay of $1,890 for this hand pay. This final hand pay of the morning made for a really great day. It really did. The hand pay totals that you're looking at do not include the other jackpots you looked at while you were watching all of the videos. Season 6, Episode 1, for example, had 2 hand pays in one short morning. Episodes 2, 3, and 4 took place all in one morning in about 3 hours at the Pachanga Casino. If you have not seen our current videos, take a look. Oh, by the way, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and as usual, to be continued.
Hey, dirty, baby, I got your laundry, don't you worry.